Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can reverse audio on CapCut PC. So I'm just going to record myself saying something. Hello everybody. Okay, that's just the example. You cannot reverse an audio without a video, so I'm just going to add like a random video on top. Then I'm just going to select both, create compound clip. Once you're done, you're just going to then reverse it. It's then going to reverse the clip as well as the audio, as you can tell. And that is it, super simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!